Hello, Teresa Tree at our Global Family Farm. We are located at City Farm, San Luis Obispo, the farm along the freeway, but it's a paradise. We've created a whole Garden of Eden here, and let me show you around. So at our Global Family Farm, we have the four corners of the globe represented by the edible indigenous crops that grow on the different continents of the world. This is Europe and the Mediterranean to the north. And then here in the east is the continent of Asia and some of the crops that come from Asia for summertime. We have cucumbers, and there's a Japanese pepper called shishito, there's eggplant, and there's basil. To the south is the continent of Africa. And here we have an African mud hut. We have African gourds growing along this fence line. We have a squash, and we have sweet potatoes, and we have succulents, all from South and Middle and Northern Africa. And in the direction of west is the Americas, North America, Central America, South America. We have tomatoes, we had potatoes, we have canna, which is an edible root from South America. We have beans. We have the Three Sisters garden, the corn and the squash and the beans growing together. We have a teepee in the center. We have fun out here. We have berries to eat out here. We have a strawberry patch. We have blackberry vines, blackberries and raspberries in the west. It's lush, it's beautiful out here. Here in this European section, we have lettuce, we have comfrey, calendula, borage, we had garlic, we have broccoli, we have fruit trees, apples, and plums. We have pomegranate, we have artichoke, we have asparagus. And if you come out and explore, you'll find these signs that tell you a little bit more about the origin of the crop, the nutritional value, and the culinary use. We have a little mini greenhouse. We have even a little place where you can take a nap. We've got the pomegranates, this whole herb garden here. Come out and explore a mulberry. Here we go around the mulberry bush. There's a climbing structure for kids. This whole garden was created for children of all ages to come and explore. Look at the beautiful pears that are bearing fruit now. A bay tree, a wormwood, artemisia, bush, beautiful little passageways to find your way through and explore. Here we got Asian pears, nice fruits. Here's one, here's another one, another and another. We got raspberries, another plum tree. Ah, beautiful shade of the plum tree. We have a bamboo stage area. So come bring your families. We're here on Sundays, 9 to 12 at our Global Family Farm. Explore the edible food crops from around the world. Every corner of the globe has root crops, has grains, has vegetables, has fruits to eat. So come explore, have some fun, and pretend like you are traveling the world. And there's a playhouse too. And we have an outdoor kitchen, a sink and a counter and a barbecue. We have picnic areas. We have potlucks here on the second Sunday at night at 1 o'clock. Come on out and enjoy our Global Family Farm. Our motto is that we're all part of one global family on this planet. So let's get along and show compassion to one another.